Hey, it's Calvin with the quick 4-hour chart Bitcoin update. We were previously tracking the sloppy, malformed 4-hour head and shoulders, shoulder, shoulder, head, neckline. We were bought up over the weekend, and we have now cracked the shoulder line this morning at the start of New York Open, and we have invalidated that structure. We are still tracking that level, though, because we are still in this overall consolidation since February 28th, but the measured move for this structure is about down there. So we're tracking this region right here. If we look to the daily, the order block is more apparent. So right here to here, drag that out. So that is a level that we're interested in if this structure begins to fail. Right now, it's looking strong, and I don't suspect that it's going to fail without whales dumping into this, but time will tell, of course. Right now, we do have a 9 count on the 4-hour chart, so we are running a little hot. It probably will want to consolidate. Either it'll flag out or it will have a drawback, a down wave. But let's take a look at liquidation levels. So we have a significant liquidation level at 71,400, and then we have a sell wall developing slightly above that, 71.8 to 72. So we'll call the pivot to be roughly between 71.4 and 72. Let's see if we can map that out here. So 71.4 to about 72. Right there, we'll call it. So this is a potential rejection zone that we could watch as we paint our 9 count candle. It'll close in about a half an hour. If the top is in for this wave, we can expect retracement. Healthy retracement would be between 0.5 and 618. And so while that is quite a ways down, that is kind of the expectation for a strong impulse move like we've had. So coming back down into this zone where we would, I think we would expect to find some buyers if this is a bullish move, which it looks like it is. So buyers here before moving back up. We could also look to the volume range and see what that's telling us. And we could see that we also have the point of control also at that level. So we'll mark that out at 67.2. So that is a level of interest for us where we can hopefully find some bidders if we have a corrective move downward. In terms of what are we targeting for this overall structure, we can take the fib range, and this structure is targeting somewhere in this region up here between 1.618 and 2. And as I pointed out in my last video, there's also a AB is equal to CD move in the making. So this would be the AB wave. This is a 50% retracement of that, almost exactly. And so that would be the CD move. And you can see that also is targeting up here. So there is our target range. So from here, that is roughly a 25% move. From our potential bid zone, that is a 32% move. Another thing that we can track in terms of a diagonal resistance from the last bull run, if we were to scroll over here, we could take these 2 peaks and see where that lines up for a diagonal resistance line. And sure enough, right in our target zone. So this is definitely an area where we are interested in targeting. We'll see what time brings us, but it looks like that this is a healthy move out of this consolidation down here, and we hopefully are free to move up. Hopefully we can get a quick retracement, find some bidders, and continue moving up. Timing is a lot harder to predict, of course, but based on the AB is equal to CD move, that puts us April 8th, so solar eclipse day in the United States. that would be the target date for targeting up there in the upper 80,000 range. So hopefully you guys find these videos helpful. If so, please give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.